Pasok mo. Diyan lang.
Red answer like in her mouth.
Who's playing like a girl?
Mario. Kasi, why did you put red ants all over Mario? 2 minutes.
Eh, gusto nila eh.
Last 2.
I like your umbrella.
Go.
Ano, kumusta?
Okay. Pagod.
What do you call that?
Ice candy.
Do you have that there? In your house? Only here. And the other one, what's that? Ice water.
Yeah.
We're right now on the top of the mountain. Okay? Dito, pag-aralan natin naman ngayon kung ano yung dapat hindi natin dinadala. One example, nakita ko, dinala pa rin yung insect repellent. Yung mga
The cats, the chickens, the cow. Oy!
nandun tayo sa campsite. And grabe ang init sa Batulaw. We're going down na. Nakita ko parang nag-slow. Ay, huli ka sa video. Ay, huwag ka mag-slide, JJ. Tara, matatapi lang to. Si Patrick ganito tumakbo.
Balance niya yun eh.
Ang